Diagnosis of an air conditioning complaint starts with a performance test of the system to verify the complaint. Warm the engine to operating temperature and run the engine at the rated RPM for idle with the doors open, blower on high, and the air conditioning set to maximum cold. Use an air conditioning thermometer in the air outlet to measure outlet temperature closest to the evaporator core. Add another thermometer 12 inches from the front of the grill. Run the vehicle for 10 minutes. Depending on humidity and outside temperature, the outlet temperature should be between 30 and 40 degrees cooler than the ambient air temperature reading at the front of the grill. Consult the OEM diagnostic charts for temperature and humidity, because outlet temperature can be as high as 60 degrees and still be acceptable. If the outlet temperature is high, turn the air conditioning switch off and then on, and listen for the sound of the compressor clutch engaging. If the compressor does not engage, further diagnosis of the compressor protection circuit is warranted. If the compressor engages and the outlet temperature is still high, the refrigerant system requires further diagnosis. Vehicles are equipped with an air or oil viscous fan drive for engine cooling. An inoperative condenser fan will cause poor heat transfer in the condenser and poor AC operation. Next, move the temperature control to full hot and then back to full cold again. The system should respond accordingly. If there is no change or the change is minimal, check the linkage, doors, and electrical controls to determine where the problem exists. Determine the operation of the heater core water shutoff valve. Move the mode position switch through all of the positions and check for a change in the air distribution. Again, if there is no change or the airflow is diminished, check the linkages, doors, and electrical systems to determine the cause of the problem. Air that comes out of the defroster only has a problem with the electrical blend air door motor or linkage. Automatic climate control air conditioning systems usually have a self-diagnostic routine that will store codes in the event of an air distribution control circuit failure. The OEM manufacturer's service manual should be used to retrieve and diagnose the stored codes. For vehicles equipped with recirculation or max AC mode, engage that mode and listen for a change in the blower motor operation and feel for increased airflow. If there is no change, verify the operation of the summer-winter mode system. The electrical circuits will have to be checked if there is no change. Then put the air conditioning system in the normal mode and change the blower motor speeds through all positions. Blower motors that work on high speed only will likely have a failed blower motor resistor block. The general diagnosis should conclude with a check for unusual odors. A sweet smell indicates a coolant leak from the heater core, while a strong musty odor indicates a clogged evaporator drain or a bacterial coating on the evaporator fins. Verify that the air inlet openings are not restricted with debris.